Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook or make fish lumpia. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. I have a half kilo of galunggong and then a little 2 tablespoon of potatoes, 2 tablespoon of carrots, and 2 tablespoon of bell pepper, and then a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of basil, and half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and quarter a teaspoon of salt. And then I add also garlic powder. Okay, so first we're gonna mix this carrots, potatoes, and bell pepper. The carrots, potatoes, and bell pepper, and then the paprika, basil, black pepper, and then salt. And then onion, just half a teaspoon of garlic powder, of onion powder, mix it. And then an egg. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, so we're gonna wrap. Okay, like this. Okay, like that. You put water. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, we're gonna put it there. I'm done wrapping, and this is it. I only made 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 pieces only in half kilo of fish. Okay, so it's time to fry this one. Okay, 4 first. So this is batch of our fish lumpia. Very crunchy guys. Okay. It's very yummy. Okay. It's super crunchy. It's good. Lumpia. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D-Bro-Ja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and then Facebook page and personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.